If you're thinking about using Listrak for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. While it's a solid option in the e-commerce space, it's important to compare it with other software to make sure you're getting the best deal for your business. Let's go through 12 things you should consider before buying Listrak. The first thing to understand about Listrak is that it's known for its powerful email marketing automation. But compared to other tools like Klaviyo, it can sometimes feel less intuitive, especially for beginners. So, if you're new to email marketing, there might be a bit of a learning curve. Next, Listrak offers a robust set of features beyond email marketing, including SMS marketing, customer segmentation, and predictive analytics. This is great if you want a comprehensive solution. However, competitors like OmniSend provide similar features at a lower price point, making it important to weigh the cost to value ratio. The third thing to consider is that Listrak's pricing model is based on the number of emails sent and the number of contacts. This can get expensive quickly as your business grows. If you're on a tight budget, this may not be the most cost-effective option. Other platforms like MailChimp have more flexible plans that can help save you money. Another point to keep in mind is Listrak's integration capabilities. It integrates well with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, but it's not as seamless as other tools like ActiveCampaign. This could lead to some headaches if you're trying to sync your store data and marketing campaigns. The fifth thing is Listrak's customer support. While they offer support through various channels like live chat and email, the response times can be inconsistent. If you're looking for a platform with top-tier customer service, platforms like Klaviyo tend to have better customer satisfaction rates. The sixth thing to mention is the learning curve. While Listrak has a lot of features, they may not be as user-friendly as other options. It can take some time to get familiar with the interface. If you're someone who values simplicity, this might not be the best fit for you. Next thing to know is Listrak's reporting and analytics. It offers advanced reporting, which is great for businesses that want detailed insights into their campaigns. However, if you're looking for real-time data and quick reports, you might find this a bit slower than other solutions like OmniSend or MailChimp, which offer faster insights. The eighth thing to consider is Listrak's focus on large businesses. While it's suitable for dropshipping, its feature set and pricing may be better suited for enterprise-level businesses. If you're a small business, you may find that platforms like Shopify Email or MailChimp better meet your needs. The ninth thing is automation. Listrak offers strong automation workflows, but they're not as flexible as competitors like ActiveCampaign. If you need more advanced automation features, other platforms may offer better options for scaling your business. Next thing is Listrak's deliverability. While it has a solid reputation for high email deliverability rates, it's not as well documented as services like Klaviyo, which are known for their top-notch inbox placement. So, if deliverability is your primary concern, it's worth testing out. The 11th thing is the mobile app. Listrak does have a mobile app, but it's not as robust or user-friendly as other options. If you're frequently on the go and need to manage your campaigns from your phone, platforms like MailChimp offer a better mobile experience. Finally, Listrak's flexibility is something to consider. While it's great for businesses that need extensive customization, this can be overwhelming if you don't have the time or resources to dedicate to optimizing your campaigns. Competitors like OmniSend offer a more user-friendly experience with less configuration required. Listrak is definitely a good option if you need a comprehensive email marketing tool with a focus on enterprise-level businesses. However, if you're looking for a better, more cost-effective solution with easier-to-use features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.